Hey everyone, in this video we will compare Sezzle, Afterpay and Affirm. Sezzle, Afterpay and Affirm are all popular financing tools, but each has unique features that cater to different needs. Sezzle allows users to make interest-free payments over 6 weeks. This is great for smaller, short-term purchases. The payment is divided into 4 equal payments and it doesn't charge interest, making it a simple option for shoppers. However, its merchant network is more limited compared to others, so it might not be as widely accepted. Afterpay is another popular option that splits your purchase into 4 equal payments, but it's due every 2 weeks. Like Sezzle, it doesn't change interest if payments are made on time. Afterpay is widely accepted across various online stores, making it a convenient option for frequent shoppers. However, because the payments are made every 2 weeks, it may be harder to manage for some users. Affirm stands out by offering a wide range of payment terms, from 3 to 36 months, which can be useful for larger purchases. Affirm can charge interest depending on the term chosen, and the APR can range from 0% to 30%, so it's important to be mindful of the interest cost. Affirm is the best suited for people who want more time to pay off larger purchases, such as furniture or electronics. Sezzle is great for short-term, interest-free payments on smaller items. Afterpay works well for those who want flexibility with bi-weekly payments and broader merchant support. And Affirm is the best choice for bigger purchases with longer repayment terms, although it might come with interest charges. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.